Morning everyone, Andrew here. There's Kelly. So hello Kelly. There we go. We've got some interns there doing a psychometric test. They're grade 11s. They're joining us for today. And yeah, I'm at the buzz. Got my cup of coffee for the morning. And I need to go do a checkup on the renovation of the kitchen. It's been converted to an Airbnb unit. I believe that they're going to start the tiling today. So let's go have a look and see what they're doing. Hope you guys all had a good weekend. I had the 2-day workshop, as I think a lot of you know that. A very successful workshop, that is. So let's go have a look inside the room for the next update. How's it, gents? Okay, what's the latest update? What are we doing today? Are you lighting it? You better plaster all these walls, eh? Make it nice and smooth. Gonna light it. Let's have a look. Okay, so today's Rhino lighting, making smooth. And then I guess we'll do the tiling after that, eh? The tiling for the floors. Tomorrow? No. Okay. So it's good. So by the end of today, it'll all be Rhino lighted and plastered. It'll be nice and smooth. Tomorrow we start with the tiles. And yeah, we are making some good headway. Nthaki. Alrighty, so half of the video.
Hi guys.
What's your plan this morning, Nthaki?
I want to drop some flyers. Trying to get private sellers.
Yep, because one thing I said to Nthaki is when you go out looking for deals, yes, go to agents, but getting direct to a private seller, hey, Nthaki, is key. So what does it say on your flyer?
So it says that are you facing financial difficulties living in a property that you can't afford? Are you property currently being repossessed, going for auction and just looking for a quick sell, right? So
we're looking for the 5Ds, eh?
For the 5Ds. For
people that are motivated. So let's see if Nthaki gets any phone calls out of that. If we do, I'll be interviewing Nthaki on the back of that.
Okay,
so you guys,
1,000 flyers to go.
1,000.
Yep.
Okay, let's see what happens, guys.